Let us continue the exercise problem, fifth one. See, find the mean deviation about the mean for the data xi is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Fi is equal to 7, 4, 6, 3, 5. Nothing but he has given the frequency. How to find this type of problems? Okay, let us draw the table xi. Whatever he has given, write down. 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Next one is frequency, that is Fi. 7, 4, 6, 3, 5. Okay. So we are going to find the mean deviation about mean. He has given data xi and Fi. Therefore, what is xi into Fi? Multiply these two, xi and Fi. If you go for multiplication, we get 35, 40, 90, 60, okay. Next one is 125. So sigma Fi is equal to, if you go for adding this element, we get what? 25. Okay. Xi minus Fi means sigma Fi into xi, it must be is equal to 350. See, if we ask particularly find the mean deviation about mean, so what we are going to find? We are going to find the x bar. We are going to find the x bar. For that, what we required? We required xi minus x bar. Nothing but we required x bar. How to find x bar? X bar must be is equal to sigma Fi xi whole thing divided by sigma Fi. This must be is equal to 335 divided by 25. So it must be is equal to how much? X bar must be is equal to, if you go for simplification, we get 14. X bar is equal to 14. Okay. See, we get x bar is equal to 14 means we have to be take here modulus of x bar. So xi is 5 is there, x bar is 14 is there. What we get? 5 minus 14 must be is equal to how much? 9. Is it now? Similarly, 10 minus 14 is equal to 4. Next, 15 minus 14 equals 1. 20 minus 14 equals 6. Next, 25 minus 14 equals 11. 11. Okay. See, if we are going to find the mean means, to find the mean, what we require? Sigma Fi into xi divided by sigma Fi. So after finding the x bar, that is mean, we have to be find xi minus x bar. After finding xi minus x bar, so we know the formula. First write down the formula, that is mean deviation x bar must be is equal to sigma Fi into xi minus x bar whole thing divided by n. Okay. See, we required x bar. Okay, we have find x minus x bar is also find. What is the next step? We are going to find the Fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. is Fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. So Fi is 7 is there, here is 9 is there, 7 9s are 63, 4 4s are 16, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 55. Okay, so we require summation of Fi into modulus of xi minus x bar must be equal to, go for adding all these terms, we get 158. Now we have the formula sigma Fi modulus of xi minus x bar divided by n, that is 158 divided by n. So sigma Fi must be equal to n, this must be equal to what? 25 is there. Therefore, this must be equal to 25. If we simplification, we get 6.32. See, in the previous problem, he has given only xi, okay, but here he has given xi and Fi frequency also he has given. For this, take the term data like this, xi one column, Fi one column, multiply these two elements, we get xi Fi. So after getting this one, we have to go for x bar minus xi minus x bar. To find the x bar, what is the formula for x bar? X bar must be equal to sigma xi Fi whole thing divided by sigma Fi. So for this, we get x bar must be equal to 14. After obtaining the x bar, we have to be subtract with xi. That is, xi is 5 is there. 5 minus 14, 10 minus 14, 15 minus 14, 20 minus 14, 25 minus 14, we get this term. After obtaining this one, what is the next step? Fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. So if you go for multiplying these two elements, we get this one. So summation of Fi into modulus of xi minus x bar must be equal to 158. We have the formula MD of x bar must be equal to sigma Fi modulus of xi minus x bar divided by n. Apply the, what is the value of this one? This one is 158 divided by 25. Simplification, we get 6.32. Okay, next one. Find the mean deviation about median. Mean ಅಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ x bar ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, median ಅಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ m ನ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, so he has given the xi value. Find the mean deviation about the median. Xi is equal to 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15. Fi is 8, 6, 2, 2, 2, 6. See, here find the mean deviation about the median. Median means, so as usual, first take down xi column 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15. What is Fi? 8, 6, 2, 2, 2, 6. After finding this one, he is asking median. So that's why we are going to find the CF. The meaning of CF is cumulative frequency. CF means cumulative frequency. How to find the cumulative frequency? So whatever Fi first element is there, take down as it is. So 8 plus this element gives here. 8 plus 6 is what? 14. Similarly, 14 plus 2 gives here, that is 14, 15, 16. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 16 plus 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ? Next element ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, that is 18. 18 plus 2 gives the 20. 20 plus 6 gives the 26. Okay, so nothing but sigma of Fi is equal to 26, that is n is equal to 26. See, if we ask find the mean deviation about the media means we have to be go for finding the cumulative frequency. Why we are going to find the cumulative frequency means because we have to be find the median. To find the median we require cumulative frequency. Nothing but n, what is the n is half of the n, that is n by 2, that is 26 by 2. What is that? 13. ಇಲ್ಲಿ n by 2 13 ಬಂದಿದೆ. 13 ಗಿನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯಾವುದಿದೆಯೋ ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 14 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನೋ? ಆ 14 ನ xi ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್. xi is what? xi 7 is the median. See, if you ask mean deviation about the median means we are going to find the cumulative frequency. How to find the cumulative frequency means whatever Fi first element is there, write down as it is. Now adding 8 plus 6 gives 14. Similarly 14 plus 2 gives 16. 16 plus 2 gives 18. 18 plus 2 gives 20. 20 plus 6 gives 26. After finding this one, so we are going to find the median means we have to be take half of the n. N is how much? 26 is there. So 26 divided by 2 is 13. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 13 ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 13 ಗಿನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ನೇರದಲ್ಲೇ xi ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು xi minus f, sorry, xi minus m. See ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ m ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು, ಮೀನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ x ಬಾರ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ xi minus modulus of? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ xi is how much? 5 minus 7. This must be is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2. Next one is 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Next one is 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 12 minus 7 is equal to how much? 5. Next 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Okay. So after here we are at m is equal to 7. Next. Now what is Fi into modulus of xi minus m? Fi ಇಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8 2s are 16. 0 is multiplied by anything is 0. Next one is 4. 3 2s are 6. 5 2s are 10. 6 8s are 48. If you go for adding sigma of Fi into modulus of xi minus m, how much? Take the calculation, go for add. How much we get? We get 84. Is it now? Now apply the formula. MD of M must be is equal to MD of M must be is equal to sigma Fi modulus of xi minus x bar whole thing divided by n. Here is not x bar. This one is m. Is it now? So now what is the sigma Fi modulus of xi minus m? That is 84. And what is the value of n? N must be equal to 26. If you go for simplification by using calculation, we get what? 3.23 is the required solution. Okay, 3.23 is the required solution. Okay. Next, find the mean deviation about mean. Find the next problem. Find the mean deviation about the mean for the data is given in the form of class interval. CI form, that is 0, 100, 100, 200, 200, 300, 300, 400, 400, 500, 500, 600, 600, 700, 700, 800. Okay, this is yes given class interval. Number of persons is indicated the frequencies, that is 4, 8, 9, 10, 7, 5, 4, 3. See, in the previous case he has given the xi directly, but he has given the interval. So see, he has given the class interval in the form of 0, 100, 120. See, if the element ends with 100 means next element start with 100 only. If the element start with 200 is end with 200 means next element should be start with 200 only. Okay, in this way CI will be arranged. Okay. Now, see, in the previous case, he has given xi directly. Now we are going to find the xi here. What is the meaning of xi? Xi means here midpoint. How to find the midpoint? 0 plus 100 is how much? 100. 100 by 2 is how much? 50. Is it no? 100 plus 200 is 300. 300 by 2 is 150. Nothing but adding these two elements divided by 2 get the midpoint. Similarly go for this one. How much we get? 250. Next element is get 350. And the next element is we get 450. Next element we get 550. Next element we get 650. Next element we get 750. Okay. See, after finding this one, what we require, sigma of Fi must be is equal to how much? Adding of all these elements we get what? 50. See, we get Fi and we get Xi. So, what is Fi into Xi? So, multiple of these two elements we get 200, 1200, 2020, 250, 3500, 3150, 2750, 2600, 2250. Okay, adding of all these, that is sigma Fi Xi must be is equal to how much? Idistu add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 17900 we get. Okay, now we are going to find the x bar. X bar must be is equal to sigma Xi into Fi divided by sigma Fi, that is 17900 divided by 50. 0 get cancel. If you go for simplification, we get what? 358. Okay, now we are going to find the xi minus x bar. Okay, now xi minus x bar, nothing but what is the value of xi? 50 minus 358. How much? 308. Similarly for this one we get 208, 108, 8, 92, 192, 292, 392. Is it no? See, here x bar is given what? X bar must be equal to 358. X bar is equal to 358 is there, means here what is the xi? 50 minus 358. 50 minus 358, 150 minus 358, 250 minus 358, 350 minus 358, 450 minus 358, 550 minus 358, 650 minus 358, 750 minus 358, we get this one. Then what is the next one? Fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. Go for multiple of these two elements. Fi into this, how much we get? 1, 2, 3, 2. Next, 8 into 204 is 1664. 9 into 108 is 972. Next is this 10 into 8 is what? 80. Next is 92 into 644. 644. Next element, if you multiplication, we get 960. Next element is 1168. Next one is 1176. Okay. See, in this way we are getting the problems now. Okay. After obtaining this one, go for adding all these terms by using calc. How much we get? That is sigma of Fi into modulus of xi minus x bar must be is equal to how much? 7896. Okay, 7896. Therefore, apply the formula. MD of x bar must be is equal to summation of Fi into modulus of xi minus x bar whole thing divided by n. Okay, so that is, this must be is equal to 7896 divided by value of n must be is equal to 50. Yes, you can calculate, find the solution. Okay, simplify using calculate, we get the solution. Okay, see, if the class interval is given, means you have to be check the number. Here is 0 to 100 is there, means here 100 is there, means next element should be start with 100 only. If suppose here 99 is there, means this here element should be start with 99 only. Okay. Problem. Find the mean deviation about the median for the data. Yes, given class interval is how much? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Okay. And yes, given Fi must be is equal to 6, 8, 14, 16, 4 and 2. Okay na? Now, in the previous also we are going to find the cumulative frequency. How to find? Written Fi as it is. 6 plus 8 gives how much? 14. 14 plus 14 gives 28. 28 plus 16 gives how much? 44. Again 44 plus gives how much? 48. 48 plus 2 is how much? 50. Here sigma of Fi must be equal to out 50. Is it now? After finding cumulative frequency, what's the next step we are going to find? We are going to find the xi, that is midpoint. So we are going to find the midpoint. How to find the midpoint? Adding these two elements divided by 2. We get what? 5. 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 by 2 is 15. Similarly for this 25. Next one is 30. 70. 70 by 2 is 35. 45. Next one is 55. After finding xi, what is the next step? We are going to find the xi minus m. Is it now? Yes, now we are going to find the value of m. Median means what? M must be is equal to what? Nothing but first we have to take the n by 2. So what's the value of n? N is equal to sigma of n must be is equal to 50. N is equal to what? 50 divided by 2 is equal to what? 25. So here is 25 is there. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 25 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ 25 ಗಿನ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಬೋ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? 28 ಇದೆ. ಈ 28 ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರುವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಸಿ ಅಂತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 28 ಸಿ n by 2 ಮಾಡಿ n by 2 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 25 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 25 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದಾಗ ಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 25 ಗಿನ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಬೋ ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 28 ಇದೆ. 28 ಇನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಸಿ ಅಂತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಎಫ್ ಅಂತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಏನಂತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಎಲ್ ಅಂತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಎಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ n by 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. n ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ n. n by 2 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 25 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಿನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಬೋ ಯಾವುದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಬೋ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? 28 ಇದೆ. 28 ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಸಿ ಅಂತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 14 ಎಫ್ ಅಂತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾವೇನಂತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಎಲ್ ಅಂತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಮ್ ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಮ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಸೊ ಎಮ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ n by 2 minus c whole thing divided by f into h. h ಅಂದರೆ ಇವೆರಡರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಎಲ್? ಎಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ? 20 ಪ್ಲಸ್ n by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 25 ಮೈನಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿ? ಸಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 14 whole thing divided by what is f? 14 and h is 10 minus 0 is 10. If you go for simplification, so ಇದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 20 plus 7.8, this must be is equal to what? 27.8. ನಮಗೆ m ಸಿಕ್ತು. What is the value of m? m is equal to 27.8. now xi minus 5 minus 27.8 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸರಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಒಂದು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಸಾಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? 22.8. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕೂಡ 15 minus 27.8 is ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 12 minus 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 25 minus 27 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2.8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 35 minus 27.8 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 7.2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 17.2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 27.2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಬಂದಷ್ಟ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? fi ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ xi ಮೈನಸ್ m ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ fi ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ 6 ಇಂಟು ದಿಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 136.8. Similarly 102.4, 39.2. okay na? Next 16 into 7.2 is 115.2. next 4 into 17.2 is 68.8. next 2 into 27.2 is 54.5. adding of all this, sigma of fi modulus of xi minus m must be is equal to, adding these two, how much we get? 516.9. so is it now? Now apply the formula. md of m must be is equal to summation fi modulus of xi minus m divided by we get what? N. That is 516.8 6.9 divided by 50. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 10.34 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 10.34. ಓಕೆ.